how to change wallpaper in Samsung M12. So first we have to go to wallpapers. You can see if we click the button here, so we got here my wallpapers. So here are defaulted wallpapers that has been provided from the system. And then what we have to do is, see, we have to go to the wallpaper service and click dramatic wallpapers items, and then we have to click it, and then we have to go to the settings of that over there only, and we will click few items. So it's loading. It's loading quite, so it will load. You can select any 5 categories from here, and then the wallpaper could be changed, means automatic. We will off the switch of that phone, and again we will on the wallpaper get changed, and we click twice, it will change types of wallpaper. So guys, weekly twice it's coming 2 new wallpapers. So it's so beautiful. You choose it and try it, and do not subscribe, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So here I am back, and see, it has back. So the home screen wallpaper, I will go back, and then I will click the themes. So you have to click the themes, and here you could find many costly, not free wallpapers. So I will go for free wallpapers. Then here you have many options, whatever you click. So I'm finding of my own choice. Let me find. It's not like that, guys. It's not beautiful because all the beautiful wallpapers are costly, not free. So here I have got one. See, it's beautiful. Actually, I like it. Then you have to click the download button. Here it will show more features and recommended, like that. It's recommending, like, they are not free, they are costly. So you have to see first that it's costly or not, or it's free or not, and then I have to click the apply button. You can see I'm clicking the apply button. It's applying. Here what I was saying that I just forgot. This will be change your full notifications. This will change your full notifications and everything. See, your call, WhatsApp, and everything color will be changed, and you will look like that. So whatever, fine. And here you can see the wallpaper looks gorgeous. I go to the phone and it was showing like that, so I don't like it. So I think that I will change it to my defaulted wallpaper again. So here I have changed it to my defaulted wallpaper again, and but I can see something upside there. So I will do the data, means that wallpaper data fully deleted. Going to back to the defaulted data. I have removed all that data, and then I will change it. I will just pause it for a minute.